Dear friends, welcome to Rama's cooking world. Today let's see how to make eggless pancakes. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of milk. Now here comes in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick mix. Now add 1/4 cup of oil. Combine it well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to enhance the flavor. Mix it well. Here comes the dry ingredients. Add 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Sift it. Here I am adding the flour gradually. Add half cup of sugar, or you can add the sugar as per your taste. Mix everything together without lumps. When the first batch of flour is mixed together, we can see it is runny. Now here goes in another cup of flour. Again combine. Now it's smooth and lump free. And this is the third batch of flour. I have added total 2 cups of flour. Now it has become more thicker. Now heat a pan and pour in the batter. If it's not a non-stick pan, you can grease it. When its one side is done, flip it. Enjoy these soft, spongy, tasty pancakes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.